In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Quick Buy on MEXC. Now to do this, first of course you want to sign into your account, and then on your dashboard you want to go to Buy Crypto, top left, and click on Quick Buy/Sell. Now from here you want to make sure you are on the Quick Buy tab, and then from here you can buy and sell using these two buttons over here. It's super easy. I'll try to explain how to use these. Now first, you want to pick if you want to buy or sell. I'm going to be buying right now. So to quick buy, you want to click on the buy button, and then you want to select how much of a specific currency you want to spend. You have to also select your currency. For me, I'm going to go USD right now, and then I'm going to just spend, let's just do maybe 50 bucks right now, okay? Now down here, you want to select which crypto or which currency you want to receive when you're buying. So you're spending and you're getting this. You can of course do USDT, USDC, or something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, okay? I'm going to go with some Ethereum right now just for this example, and then over here I'm going to switch this to 50 again, and there we go. It's going to show me how much I will receive, and it's going to calculate. Now over here you can also see the payment method. You can click on here and you'll see the payment methods you can use. You have Apple Pay, Google Pay, you have debit or credit cards, and then you have third party as well if you want to use these. Some of these are going to be zero fees, and you'll also see the best prices next to some of them, so just pick the one that you want to use and click on the confirm button over here. Now if you select debit or credit card, you want to also click on add card over here, but to be able to do this, you of course must have your account verified. If it's not yet verified, go and verify it with your ID, and then when you do this, you'll be able to of course add your card and pay with your card to actually get some crypto in this quick buy section. Then you simply want to click on buy, and then it's going to say whatever crypto you're purchasing over here. And as you can see, if you aren't verified, it's going to require you to actually do the KYC, which is just like identity verification. You have to upload your photos of your ID or something similar, and then when you do this, you'll be able to just buy over here using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or card. You'll be able to confirm it with your card or phone or whatever you're using, and you will spend this much and receive this amount of that specific crypto you selected over here. So that's how easy it is to actually use Quick Buy on MEXC. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.